Homework, Felicia?
Excuse me, do not give me that sass.
The other Bob Joe. Well.
Hey guys, this is Lit Kids.
I'm Mateo.
I'm Alexi.
I'm David.
I'm Maya.
And I'm the pro Fortnite player.
Me too. They're the news. We're the ninjas, brother. They're Tifa's.
Yeah. Okay, so now, today we are doing the cooking challenge.
No, but
Making a smoothie is not cooking.
not just any cooking challenge, a smoothie challenge!
that's not cooking.
It is cooking. She does not know how to cook that much. Unexperienced cooker, very experienced baker, experienced cooker, surprisingly. And I make lots of guacamole and chicken and all that cool stuff. So yeah, let's get on with the video, kids.
So the first step is just to put 2 cups of fruit. We have strawberries, bananas, mango, and raspberries in here. It's gonna become really nice.
Boy, if you don't get
I would like to give Dubby the show. He's gonna put this into the blender.
Wait, I have a 5-second challenge for you. You make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you did it. If you did it, then good job you.
Oh, and he's eating it too, guys. How about that? That is a good show. Now we've added in some almond milk.
Now we will add a cup of water, 240 millimeters for you science people out there. Yes, buddy, careful. Oof! And yes! Boop, boop, and bang!
What the hell is this? What the hell is this?
Suck.
A few moments later.